Getting a squirmy toddler to sleep in a tent can be a challenge. Having their own little camping bed can make the ordeal a lot easier. Not all portable beds work well for camping though. You'll need one which actually fits in the tent, doesn't make a lot of noise, and won't tear holes in your tent floor. There are many products available to choose from best portable toddler beds for camping, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best portable toddler beds for camping from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Hicapop Inflatable Toddler Travel Bed with Safety Bumpers. The Hicapop Inflatable Toddler Travel Bed is the best rated option on Amazon. It's similar to many of the others with an inner mattress that can be removed, and it has bumpers on all 4 sides. The top of the mattress is velvet fluff for comfort, and it fits a standard size crib mattress. Available in 3 colors, navy, teal, and gray, the Hicapop Portable Travel Bed for Toddlers comes with an electric pump and travel bag. Along with the focus on quality, this blow-up toddler mattress is BPA and phthalate-free, and Hicapop offers a lifetime guarantee against punctures, leaks, and pump issues. Number 2. Uniplex Kids Inflatable Travel Bed. This inflatable toddler bed for travel is puncture-resistant and uses standard crib sheets. It comes in 2 pieces, allowing for ease of putting on sheets. The inside mattress has soft flucking for extra comfort. Its top and side bumpers will keep your toddler on the mattress all night long, with tapered sides near the bottom to make it easy to hop into bed. Includes a travel bag and high-speed external pump. Recommended age is 3+ years old. Uniplex also offers a lifetime guarantee. Number 3. Intex Cozy Kids Inflatable Toddler Aired. This budget-friendly travel bed for toddlers comes in 2 fun colors. Well, you can't choose the color, both are decent colors. As expected with a low price point like this one, it doesn't come with bumpers on the side, so it's best used for toddlers who don't move around too much. It also doesn't come with a pump, so don't forget to add a small pump to your order. The max weight is 100 pounds, and it's recommended for ages 3 years and over. For sheets, the size of an inflatable toddler bed is 34.5 x 62 x 7, and the total weight is around 4 pounds. Included is a carry bag and repair patch. Number 4. Sleepa Inflatable Toddler Travel Bed. The Sleepa Inflatable Toddler Travel Bed has 12 bumpers to keep toddlers on the bed at night. Very similar to the little Sleepyhead inflatable bed below, it has a removable inner mattress that's similar in size to a toddler bed, and it comes with an electric pump. Standard size crib sheets work well for this inflatable bed for toddlers. With an inflatable pillow, plush toy, and travel bag, you'll be all set up for your next trip with your toddler. This inflatable mattress for toddlers is also certified LEED and phthalate-free. Number 5. Living Ick Inflatable Kids Travel Bed. The Living Ick Inflatable Toddler Travel Bed comes in 2 fun Marvel designs. The Spider-Man version of this toddler blow-up travel bed is perfect for any Spider-Man-loving toddler. A similar size to other highly rated inflatable toddler mattresses, plus a removable inner mattress that is fluffed with a soft velvet feel, makes this perfect for sharing a hotel room with toddlers. While the sides don't offer much for keeping toddlers on the mattress, the headboard will help keep pillows from falling off the top. It also makes it good for lounging. This 6 pounds inflatable toddler mattress comes with an electric pump and travel bag. A standard size crib sheet should fit. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.